सेम के लिए है। ओके, 50 तक जो था वो फर्स्ट पार्ट में है और सेकंड पार्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं 51 से। चलिए देखते हैं 51 क्वेश्चन नंबर, which of the following type of compound are the capsaicinoid? The answer is D, protoalkaloids. The answer is D. Okay, next is 52 question number, which of the following is the medical use of common fumitory? The answer is C, enhancing bile synthesis and excretion. Answer is C. Next is 53 question number, the basic structure of boldyfolium alkaloid is? The answer is D, aporphin. The answer is D, aporphin. Next is 54 question number, vinpocetin, इसको बोल सकते हैं कैविनटोन, is a semi-synthetic derivative of the main active compound of which of the following plants? The answer is D, Vinica minor. The answer is D. Next is 55 question number, to which of the following type of compound does taxol belong? The answer is A, deuterpene alkaloid. The answer is A. Next is 56 question number, which of the following statement relating to the traditional herbal medicine product is false? कौन से इसमें false है? ट्रेडिशनल हर्बल मेडिसिन प्रोडक्ट, तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा फर्स्ट, attributing a preventive or curative effect to this product is forbidden. The answer is A. Okay, next is 57 question number, which of the following type of medicine was developed from the alkaloid camptothecin isolated from Camptotheca acuminata? The answer is B, anti-cancer. The answer is B, anti-cancer. Next is 58 question number, which of the following type of medicine was developed from glycine isolated from the Galiga officinalis? The answer is A, anti-diabetic. Answer is A. Okay, next is 59 question number, which of the following is the advantage of collecting medical herb from their natural habitat? The answer is D, no culturing costs are involved. The answer is D. Next is 60 question number, which of the following group of compound consists of primary metabolites? The answer is E, carbohydrates. The answer is E. Next is 61 question number, which of the following structural feature is characteristics of saponin? The answer is B, they are triterpene glycoside. The answer is B. Next is 62 question number, the essential oil of Melissa officinalis is sometimes falsified with the essential oil of? The answer is A, Cambopogon winter anise. The answer is A. Next is 63 question number, flavonoid such as hesperidin and rutin are able to decrease the permeability of the capillaries. The answer is E. Okay, next is 64 question number, which of the following type of component are used in photochemotherapy? That means the answer is C, ferrinocomrins. The answer is C, ferrinocomrins. Okay, next is 65 question number, which of the following is the tetracycline oxindole alkaloid of uncaryatomatous radix? The answer is D, rhinchophilin. The answer is D. Next is 66 question number, as defined by the European Pharmacopoeia, which of the following are herbal drug? The answer is B, mainly unprocessed whole or lichen which are the particularly used after drying or sometimes fresh state. Fresh state. Answer is B. Next is 67 question number. Chromatography on normal phase. Silica gel is based on which of the following physicochemical process? The answer is B. Adsorption. The answer is B. Adsorption. Next is 68 question number. Which of the following chromatographic techniques always use forced flow? The answer is A. Rotation planar chromatography. The answer is A. Next is 69 question number. Which of the following is the definition of chromatographic RF? RF, that means retention factor value. The answer is C. The distance that a particular compound moves divided by the distance of solvent formed from the start. The answer is C. Next is 70 question number. Which of the following is the shape or maize starch grain? The answer is C. Polygonal with a central triangular or 2 to 5 stellate cleft helium. The answer is C. Next is 71 question number. Which of the following process can be used to prepare an extract rich in polysaccharide from linseed? The answer is C. From whole seed with hot water. The answer is C. Next is 72 question number. Which of the following is a characteristic of mucilage? The answer is B. That means they undergoes hydrolysis to monosaccharide unit upon boil. Okay, the answer is B. Next is 73 question number. Which of the following is the main method for preparation fixed oil used in medicine? The answer is C. Cold extrusion. The answer is C. Cold extrusion. Next is 74 question number. Flavonoid can be detected with reaction based on complex formation. Which of the following substituent on the flav1 skeleton prevent this? The answer is D. OCH3 on C5 and no OH on C3. Example novelitine. Example क्या हुआ? Novelitine. The answer is D. Next is 75 question number. Which of the following forms are alkaloid mainly present in plants? The answer is B. Salt of mineral acid. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 76 question number. In which of the following ways can alkaloid be extracted from the plant in salt form? The answer is C. Sacking with acidified water at room temperature or above. The answer is C. Next is 77 question number. With which of the following test can the alkaloid of deadly nightshade be identified? The answer is E. The Vitali test. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 78 question number. In which of the following ways is lavandule ethereum prepared? The answer is E. Steam distillation. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 79 question number. Which of the following is a suitable reason for the TLC detection of carbon? The answer is D. D2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 80 question number. Which of the following does the homolytic index indicate? The answer is B. The saponin content of the drug. The answer is B. Next is 81 question number. Which of the following reagent is suitable for the detection of the cardioactive glycoside of digitalis purpureum? The answer is E. 3,5-dinitrobenzoic acid plus sodium hydroxide solution. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 82 question number. With which of the following method can the anthraquinone derivative content of the drug be detected? The answer is B. After extraction and mixing with diluted aluminum hydroxide solution. The separation alkyne phase shows a reddish orange or red color. Okay, the answer is B. Next, 83 question number. Which of the following methods is specified by the European Pharmacopoeia for quantification of the anthraquinone glycoside content of drug? The answer is C. Spectrophotometry. The answer is C. Next is 84 question number. Which of the following is the C glycoside? The answer is D. Alanine. The answer is D. Next is 85 question number. Which of the following factor does not influence the effectiveness of chromatographic separation? The answer is D. The optical rotation of the solvent system. The answer is D. Next is 86 question number. During steam distillation matricin breakdown, which of the following step is not involved in this process? The answer is D. Water addition. The answer is D. Next is 87 question number. Which of the following drug contain homopolysaccharides? The answer is C. Solani amylum. The answer is C. Solani amylum. Next is 88 question number. Which of the following factor does not influence the effectiveness of extraction? The answer is D. The refractive index of the compound to be extracted. The answer is D. Next is 89 question number. Which of the following volatile oil has a higher density than that of water? The answer is B. Cryophyll erythrolium. The answer is B. Next is 890 question number. Which of the following is calendulifolis? The answer is an epitheliogenic. The answer is D. An epitheliogenic. Next is 91 question number. Which of the following is salivi marini fructus? The answer is C. A hepatoprotectant. The answer is C. A hepatoprotectant. Okay. Next is 92 question number. Which of the following are active agent of alkamelia? The answer is A. Tannin. Tannin, that means ellagic acid derivatives. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 93 question number. Which of the following is the use of alkameli herba in medicine? The answer is B. For the treatment of eczema and skin inflammation. Eczema में treatment होता है और skin inflammation में. Okay. The answer is B. Next is 94 question number. Which of the following is the use glanduloflavus in medicine? The answer is E. For the treatment of skin and mucosal inflammation. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 95 question number. Which of the following is the use of gingivitis rhizoma in medicine? The answer is B. An antiemetic during travel sickness. The answer is B. Next is 96 question number. Which of the following is the use of Hadria folium in medicine? The answer is A. Expectorant, sclerolytic, spermolytic. The answer is A. Sorry, the answer is A. Okay. Next is 97 question number. Which of the following compound are responsible for the beta test of lupuliflus? The answer is A. Fluoroglycine derivatives. The answer is A. Next is 98 question number. Which of the following compound of a hyper C herba has a photosynthesizing effect? The answer is D. Hypersin. The answer is D. Next is 99 question number. Which of the following is the official name of specified by the European Pharmacopoeia of the drug bearberry Atocephus astratus? The answer is B. Ave orsi folium. The answer is B. Okay, next is 100 question number. The volatile oil of D citrus senesis is the prepared by the mechanical pressing extrusion. Okay, next is